Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane, and before we get into the video, guys, I wanted to take a minute. I know a pretty somber mood out there right now. A lot going on overseas in the Ukraine. Prayers to anyone involved or who has family involved in the conflict that's going on right now. Hope everyone stays safe who's involved or knows someone who's involved. Prayers go out to those folks. And with that said, guys, we're going to talk about 4 REITs that I've been picking up lately. I see some value there. So if you're looking to add some REITs and real estate to your portfolio, these might be 4 that you could consider. With that, let's jump right into the video. First up, Stag Industrial. As you can see here, ticker STAG. At the close of business on February 25th, it's $39.62. Looks like it crept up a little bit after hours, $40. We'll see what it is at the beginning of business on Monday. REITs and real estate is an industry. I think it will maybe see a bit of a pullback with not only what's going on overseas, but with the interest rates possibly raising here over the next year. You might see these industries. So this is one that I'm watching and like I said, have been adding to. You can see here the 52-week range, the low of $31.42 with a high of $48.27, and currently at $39.62. It would be about mid-range between the low and the high there. A little closer to the low, but again, pretty much mid-range there. Does have a forward dividend of $1.46 with a dividend yield of 3.76 cents or 6%. And a 1-year estimated target rate of $46.96 per share. So you can see they do expect a little bit of a price appreciation per share here. So might be some appreciation. And as you can see, it has come down over the last several months from November on down to the range it is now. It was a little lower here last week whenever I was picking it up. And next up, guys, Realty Income Corp, ticker O. Currently are at least the close of business on February 25th, $67.40. Again, another one kind of crept up a little bit after hours, $67.45 after hours. 52-week range, a low of $56.46, a high of $72.55. Another one kind of mid-range, getting closer to that 52-week high than the 52-week low, but another one I would keep an eye on. Does have a forward dividend of $2.96 and a dividend yield of 4.50. And 1-year estimate target of $77.38. So another one that they see some price appreciation over the next year. And again, another one that has been kind of steadily declining since about the November timeframe. The third one we'll look at is Store Capital, ticker STOR. At the close of business on February 25th, it was $30.89. Did creep up a little bit in the after hours, $30.94 showed here. 52-week range, $29.09 for the low and $37.13 for the high. So as you can see, it's closer to that 52-week low than the 52-week high. Forward dividend of $1.54 for the year and a yield of 5.06. So these last two guys are also going to be a good way to hedge against inflation, 5, 6, 7, 8%. And I think the next one's going to be around 9%. And it does have a 1-year target estimate of $36.92. So you're seeing some expected price appreciation here as well. And another one that since about November has been coming down in share price. And the last one we'll cover is Omega Healthcare Investors, ticker OHI. At the close of business on February 25th, $28.46. This one actually dropped a little bit after hours by a penny. Looks like $28.45. 52-week range, $26.92 for the low, $39.31 for the high. Definitely closer to that low, $26.92 low than it is a $39.31 high. Does pay a forward dividend of $2.68. And this, like I said, is a good hedge against inflation, in my opinion, at 9.72% dividend yield. Even with inflation averaging around 7% right now, this would be above your inflation rate. And it does have a 1-year estimated target of $32.80, so it speaks to a little bit of price appreciation. This one has been, again, it was low down in November, did crept back up a little bit here in December and early January, and then it's back down again. So another one that I'm looking, or have been adding actually. If you've watched any of my other videos, I picked up quite a bit of this one this week, and it was a little bit lower. I think I was getting it in the 26, 27 per share range. And guys, that is the last of the four. So those are the four REITs that I've been adding to my portfolio. If you're looking to add some REITs, might be worth taking a look at these four. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys, what do you think about the war that's going on? What do you think about what should we do as a nation? I'm a veteran myself, so I'm never an advocate for sending our men and women into war, but I'm also not an advocate for war. I believe we should do what we can to arm them and help them humanitarily. And if it continues to get bad, I think we should maybe do something, depending on where we're at here in another week or two. It looks like the Ukrainian people are picking up arms and defending themselves. So we should definitely help them as much as we can to do that and help get the people out of the country who need to get out of the country and help the people who are fleeing as well. Again, as a veteran, I've been to war, not a big proponent of war. I think it's a terrible, terrible thing that's going on. Putin should be definitely held accountable. If they can ever get a war tribunal and hold him accountable, I hope that happens. But let me know what you think down below. Like the video if you like content like this. Consider subscribing to the channel. Share with anyone you think that might find value or is looking to add REITs or real estate to their portfolio. Drop a comment down below. And hit that notification bell so you are aware whenever I post future videos. I appreciate you checking out the channel. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Everyone take care. And like I said, if you have a family or know anyone who's involved in that, prayers go out to those folks. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and selected criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.